Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review and showing you some swatches of this highlighter palette by Kat Von D, and it is called the Metal Crush Extreme Highlighter Palette. And let me tell you, it is extreme. So I bought mine recently from Debenhams and it retails at £32. And all it says, well, I'm just going to read from what it says on the box, not necessarily on the website. It's got 3 shades in it, and it says it's electrifying glitter, layer or wear alone, highlight everything. So basically it's telling you straight up it is a glitter highlighter. Now I know there are those of you out there that absolutely hate glitter highlighters. Think along the lines of Anastasia Beverly Hills, who has her glow kits and her highlighters are quite glittery. So this is like that, but even more. But firstly, look at the packaging though. I'm going to show you a close-up in a second, but just from here, wow. So pretty. And here are the 3 shades. There's like a orangey golden shade, a more yellowy golden shade, and then a beautiful pink shade. So 3 shades all together. The best way for me to describe it, and you know what, I was just saying to my dad, I was like, Dad, because I'm wearing the highlighter right now. I was like, how would you describe this? He said, it looks like you have wet glitter on your face. And I was like, that is like the perfect description for the quality of these highlighters. They look like wet glitter on the face. Look at that. So intense. I have layered 2 of them, by the way, because it was the first time I was using it and I was getting a bit extra, and I was just like, yeah, let me just put it everywhere, because I personally love highlighters. Now, yes, the texture of these is very glittery. If you don't like glitter, you will not like this highlighter. However, it's not just straight glitter to the face, there's still colour to it as well, and all of these colours I find show up quite intense. It's a very intense highlighter. A little bit goes a long way. Does it emphasise texture on the skin? Yes, it does. Do I care? No. I still wore it. I'm wearing these 2 shades, Gamma Ray and Helix, is what I've layered on my face today, and I personally love it a lot. I give this a 10 out of 10. And that's in terms of the quality of it. The description is as it is. It says it's glittery. It's not that it's metallic, it's glitter. It's straight up strong glitter, intense in your face. So it's not like Makeup Geek ones, which have, when you look at them, you can't tell they're glittery because they give that very intense glow and a metallic sheen. This is like a metallic sheen with glitter on top of glitter on top of glitter. So overall, these are super intense. They feel very soft to the touch. That was just one swipe and you can see how intense it is on my finger. They are intense, they're buttery, they're very easy to apply. I used this fan brush, which is the Morphe M310, and I just apply a tiny bit. So I'm gonna have too much on my face now, but that's fine. And there we go, look at that. Just, you know, I'm going out in a minute anyway, so it doesn't matter, and it's dark outside, so hopefully I won't need any street lights to see where I'm going. But personally, I think it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, it's gone my finger now. Oh God, no, it's gone everywhere. Help. So I'm going to show it to you up close now and show you a couple of swatches. So this is what the actual packaging looks like. Look at that. It's so holographic. It's gorgeous. I love Kat Von D's packaging. This has got a raised texture on it, similar to all her other palettes like the Shade and Light ones. It's in a cardboard box. And then this is what the 3 shades themselves look like. I'm not sure how much you can see the glitter. I'm trying to get my lights to bounce off of it, but it's just kind of working against me. So 3 shades all together, Gamma Ray, Helix and Rose Shock. And this is all 3 of them. So this first one, Gamma Ray, is like a kind of a peachy gold. If you can see, the glitter is very finely milled. It's not chunky glitter by any means. And this is more of a kind of an ivory gold shade. And this one is a straight up beautiful pink colour. They're really pretty. This was one swipe. They are super soft and super buttery and very easy to apply to the face. Personally, this is something for me that I would definitely use a lot. It's amazing to use on the eyes as well. You can wear this as eyeshadow as well. The colours are very intense and there is a base shade to it as well. It's not like it's transparent glitter like you can get with some other ones, or other brands even, in that you can use this as eyeshadow on its own without having to worry about layering it on top of anything else. But let's say if you do have some sort of matte eyeshadow and you want to have a little bit of sparkle, you can add this to your inner corner, you can add it to your brow bone, you can add it to your eyelid, wherever you want to do it. I've actually filmed this makeup tutorial for you guys where I use this so that obviously you've seen me apply it, but you can see me apply it again. But personally, I think this is a beautiful palette. I really, really love it. Do I think it's worth £32? Well, it is Kat Von D, so it's kind of priced as it normally would be. I think the total weight of it is 2.5 grams, 3 times 2.5 grams. So you get a decent amount, I would say, within this palette. Kat Von D generally has very, very good quality palettes. If you want to compare it to the Alchemist palette by Kat Von D, which is the other highlighter palette, very, very, very different. The quality itself in terms of the texture is quite similar. It's very soft and buttery. However, those are not glittery. These are glittery. So it's almost as if she's created 2 different types of highlighter palettes for different groups of people, which I think is great. Obviously, the fact that the palette size are a lot bigger is a great thing. So yeah, so that's it really. So what else can I, oh, and I'm wearing Lolita by Kat Von D. I'm actually wearing a lot of Kat Von D on my face today, so I did the whole makeup tutorial mostly using Kat Von D. So this is Lolita Everlasting Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, is that what they're called? Something like that. So yeah, so that's it. So very short review, but just wanted to let you guys know that I think it's great. The quality is great, and I'm personally very, very happy with it. So yeah, so that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are, whether you're going to get it or you already have got it, and what you think of it. And that's it. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.